Hello and welcome. This is just a short video to bring you up to speed with shed activities. Today everything has been cleaned down, the lathe and milk coolants have been drained, everything painted with fluid film and then covered with sheets for dust protection. Why? Well, I need some surgery on my ankle to repair a torn Achilles tendon. This means that works in the shed will be on hold for a few weeks. I have many future projects planned with draft designs underway. I have plenty of raw material in stock, so I hope to get back into it in just a few weeks. But for now, I must keep my foot elevated and I just can't go anywhere. The channel has now been active for 6 months and I'm having a lot of fun filming projects and sharing with you. I enjoy your feedback and I get many learnings from your comments, and I want to thank you all for your continued support over this time. In the meantime, continue to enjoy watching your favourite channels and maybe rewatch some of my videos. I hope to be back real soon. Thanks for watching. Be productive, be creative, but most importantly, be safe in your shed. Catch you next time.